I book myself tables at all the best restaurants, then eat alone. I buy myself fast cars just so I can drive them real slow. I like my own company, I don't need it. Well, I actually started singing quite late. I didn't sing in secondary school. I only sung right at the end in my final A-levels. I decided, I really like singing, but I haven't ever sung in front of people, so I tried to do it for my A-level for music. And then in the last few months of doing my A-levels, I realised, hang on a minute, I really enjoy this. So I decided to do a music degree, and I was fortunate enough that I was able to do that. And I did my music degree at the University of Sheffield, and it really opened my eyes to the world of music and composing and musical directing, all of the realms of music and theatre. And that was my first taste of theatre, because my University Performing Arts Society was the first step into it. So I did some vocal coaching for the Performing Arts Society, realised that I loved theatre, I loved the rehearsal room, I loved the whole process, and just got hooked on it really. And then left uni, did some shows from a musical director, orchestrator and vocal coach perspective, did some touring of those shows, did some festivals, and realised that whilst I was helping people with their singing, I didn't understand all of it. And I didn't really understand my own voice at the time. I was just sort of singing and kind of hoping for the best. So I decided to invest in educating myself, in actually questioning my knowledge, what I understood, whether that was right. And I did some voice training, I did some Estill courses, some workshops, some different things. And then I found the course at Royal Central, which is Voice Studies, Teaching and Coaching. And I read the syllabus and I thought, actually, this is what I want to do. I like performing, I love singing, but I want to be a teacher. And Central taught me how to be a teacher. It taught me how to do voice in a classroom, how to work with the spoken voice, how to work with the voice as a whole. And Central really helped me gain that extra teaching confidence that I was lacking. And since doing that training at Central, I've taught in lots of different drama schools and taught lots of different people from lots of different age groups, and it's really just kept that passion for teaching going. Teaching is really what I enjoy. I love singing as an art form, I love voice as an art form, but I love to teach it, and I'm really grateful for the opportunities I've had and the privileges that I've been given to go to university and to go to Central. And when I was at Central, I was fortunate enough to be awarded the Cicely Berry Scholarship, which is a scholarship in honour of a very, very important voice teacher called Cicely Berry, and that was a real honour. And without that scholarship, I don't think I would have been able to do the course at Central. So it's been sort of an amalgamation of academic work, furthering my study, but also keeping that passion going in my life and my work, and all of those things have really helped me get to where I am. The university path is one that I took, but it's not the only one out there. There are loads of different paths. There are individual courses, short courses, long courses. You can jump straight in the industry doing apprenticeships, doing placements where you can learn different skills that you would learn on a degree. You learn the industry in a different way. So I would say do your research, figure out which one you want to do, which one is for you, and really, really look at the opportunities that are out there. So scholarships, apprenticeships, placements, things that are going to help you along your way, but you need to know about them and you need to understand them. So find which path is for you through that research, really delve into it, talk to other people in the industry, people that are like you, people that are not like you, talk to everyone, research everyone to get a real wide look at the industry and what you want to take from it. I think you have to delve into who you are as a person, as an artist, and find what makes you you, and then grab that thing, run with it, work on that thing that is you, practice at it, keep going at it, figure out that thing, discover new things, keep going at that thing. Really find what you want to represent as an artist, and then just go hell for leather. Ask around, do that gig, do this, that, do this and that. Ask that person if you can do that. Jump in for that opportunity. Never say, oh no, I probably won't get that, so I won't go for it. Just jump in with both feet and go for it, because if you don't wholeheartedly go for it and you think, oh, I'll give it sort of a go, you'll never know what would have happened if you would have absolutely gone for it.